He, she, it does. He, she, it does. He, she, it does. I, they, we, you do, do, do. I, they, we, you do, do, do. Okay, he, she, it does. He, she, it does. He, she, it does. I, they, we, you do, do, do. I, they, we, you do, do, do. Okay. I can say I do my homework. She does her homework. Okay. How to make a sentence? Subject. Do you know subject pronouns?
Yes.
I, he, she, it, we, they, you. Okay? What nouns are? What nouns are? Person, thing, place, animal. Person, thing, place, animal. Okay, so subject pronoun or noun plus verb plus object. Okay, how to make a sentence? Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Every sentence starts with a capital letter, starts with a capital letter, ends with punctuation, ends with. Okay, let's read. He likes pasta. He likes pasta. Okay, let's make a question. He, do or does? Do or does? He does. He with does. Okay, does he like pasta? So please focus how to make a question and using do or does. Do or does. Repeat after me. Do or does.
Do or does.
Plus subject.
Subject.
Plus verb infinitive. Plus verb. Plus verb without anything. Plus verb without anything. I can say, does he like pasta? Does he like pasta? Does he like pasta?
No.
Yes. Yes, he does. Yes.
He does.
Or no, he does or doesn't?
Does.
Doesn't, yes. Okay. She likes broccoli. I can say, does she like or likes?
Likes.
Like. Because here, verb infinitive. Verb without anything. Does he like broccoli? Does he
Like broccoli.
Does she like broccoli? Does she like broccoli? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. Okay, let's make a question here. I walk to school. Come here, Zain. Okay, if I want to make a question, I do or does? No. Yes, I do. I can say do. I change to you. I change to. I can say do walk to school. Do you walk to school?
Yes.
I can say yes, I do, or no, I don't. Okay, sit down. Thank you. Good job. This one, we write the homework every day. How to make a question here? We with does or do? We with does or do? Do you write the homework every day? Yes, we do, or no, we don't. What about this one? They sleep early every day. They Does or do?
Does.
They.
Do.
Do they sleep early every day? Do they sleep early every day? Do they sleep early every day? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. So I have to know, does he, she, it? He, she,
it.
do, I, they, we, you. I, they, we. How to make a sentence? Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. How to make a question? Do or does? Repeat after me. Do or does?
Do or does.
Plus subject.
Plus subject.
Plus subject.
Plus subject.
Plus verb without anything. Plus verb without anything. Great.